Hi everyone, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா today we are going to see Zosaல நிறைய புது ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் 2-3 வந்திருக்குன்றாங்க. அது என்னன்னங்கிறது Zosa AS இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஷாப்ல போய் நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க போலாம். ஓகே, ஷாப் வந்தாச்சு. இப்போ உள்ள போயிட்டு என்ன நிறைய ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Hi Adam.
Hi.
How are you?
Happy New Year.
Same to you. How was Christmas, New Year and all?
Christmas was great.
Okay.
Good fun. So hopefully 2022 brings us a lot of
a lot of happiness and
luck. And hopefully the lockdown situation
pandemic should go away. Okay.
Wish everybody with good health. That's the main thing during this
and everybody should
time.
stay safe.
Safe, yes.
Okay.
Follow all the government protocols.
Yes.
Very, very important.
Okay. Now we'll see all the new products.
Yes.
And you will be explaining your product.
Yeah.
என்னென்ன ப்ராடக்ட் புதுசாக வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ நார்த்து தான் முன்னாடி வந்து வில் கோ டு எல்லாமே நார்த்லேருந்து தான் ஜலந்தரில் தான் வரணும். இப்போ சென்னையிலே நம்ம கிடைக்குது. என்னென்ன கிடைக்குது லெட்ஸ் see.
So I think நம்ம ஹிஸ்ட்ரியிலே பார்த்தா we are the first people, Zosa and being a former Olympian, to manufacture our own hockey products.
Okay.
This year 2022 we have started with the hockey balls.
Okay.
Jumbo stick bag which we can use as travel bag.
Okay.
And professional stick bag with totally imported material, and hockey shoes.
Okay.
Where we can use it both on gravel and turf.
Oh, fine.
So I will personally explain the products to you.
Sure.
We have launched our very own Zosa balls. Okay, hockey balls. So we have made it in 3 types. Okay. 3 qualities are there. One is drill. Drill is basically for practice and rough use. Then we have one more edition which is bout, where you can use it for matches, practice matches. And then we have the third elite quality which is called Supreme. So these balls are lightweight, very soft, so you won't get the shock when you hit the balls. It's totally shock resistant.
Okay.
And very, very comfortable to play. So further on we'll be adding more and more colors to it, but initially we have launched 3 variants. So kindly buy these products and give us our feedback. If there are plus and minus, we will definitely make corrections. So these are the 3 different variants that have come into the market.
Okay, we can use these the drill balls and another bout in both synthetic and gravel also.
Yes, and the drill starts at just 100 rupees. So 100 rupees you can get a quality turf ball.
Okay.
And then the bout comes at 130.
Okay.
And then a match ball comes at 150. So if you go for the other brands, it's double the price. So we give it at half rate for you all to play. So please motivate us and give us a feedback of your buy the products. Okay, this is the Zosa Elite stick bag which we have launched. This is our hot selling product in the market.
Okay.
Already many players have bought, many professional players have bought this product. The thing is, you can easily carry up to 10 sticks. You can there are 3 compartments where you can put your shin pads, you can put your dirty clothes here, shin pads, shoes, you can put your hockey sticks here. There is a compartment specially for your travel gear. Inside this there's a compartment to keep your valuables like your cell phone and like your purse, everything. There's a small pocket. The special thing about this is we have used exported fabric. This fabric, it comes from abroad. It's very lightweight. Okay. And not like the local brands what we get, which will be very thick and heavy. And there's a lot of cushioning below, so you can use it for traveling. In case you're going for a 2-day trip or 3-day tournament, you don't have to carry a suitcase or a luggage. You can put everything in this.
Okay.
And at the back there is a thick cushioning, and you can see there's back support. Back support for the back, so easily between 20 to 30 kilos bag will hold. And it's priced at 2,400 rupees, but now we are given a special launch offer at 1,300, including GST we are paying 18% GST including a place we are priced at 1,300. So this is the initial offer, but okay, these are our new Zosa hockey shoes. Okay, it's very light and it's less than 200 grams each pair, which comparatively in the domestic market you can't find any shoe which is lighter. This shoe is built for total speed. If you see the shape of it, you'll be very comfortable in running. You can use it both on gravel as well as on turf. If you want to use it on gravel, you can always give an go to the local shop and give an extra stitch. So it will give you extra life, and it's very aerodynamic and total good soft rubber studs. The sole is very soft and lightweight. We have launched in 4 colors. That's we have orange, we have fluoro orange, then we have red, and then we have Air Force blue. Okay, so it's all fancy colors, and the fluoro green what I showed you previously.
Looking nice, and you should see the performance after players use it. You can get the feedback from them, any improvisation to be done.
So we have sizes from 6 to 11.
Oh, fine.
And then this is just an initial launch we have done. So after the players' feedback, we will be making more and more corrections to it. We will be improving quality. So that's
price.
The price initially, actually, we were planning to sell it for 1,500 to 1,008.
Okay.
But now we have put it on a special offer, introduction offer. So launch offer 1,250, including GST.
Yeah.
So it's a very affordable shoe for everybody.
Okay, Adam, thank you for your feedback about your products. I hope all நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு பிளேயர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இதை வாங்கி யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணுவாங்க, பிகாஸ் ஆல்ரெடி Zosa products is a hit in Tamil Nadu. So not only Tamil Nadu, even all over India, it should go and grow again. And as in the stick bags எல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது we are getting ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்டஃப்பாக இருக்கும். ஜம்போ பேக் லைட்டில் இட்ஸ் ஜம்போ பேக். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் பிரிங்கிங் ஆல் தீஸ் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் டு தமிழ்நாடு. எஸ்பெஷலி நம்ம அங்கேருந்தா ஜலந்தர்லேருந்து எல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். மோஸ்ட்லி ஒரு 60% ஆஃப் ஹாக்கி எக்யூப்மெண்ட் வந்து நம்ம ஆடம் ஏஎஸ் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் ஜோசாலே கிடைக்குது. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் பிரிங்கிங் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ் ஹியர். அண்ட் hopefully in future we are expecting your shin pads and gloves, and the very special one, expecting your hockey sticks also. So thank you, and your message to our subscribers and our hockey fraternity.
First I like to thank you sir for coming and making this video and promoting us. And one reason today I am standing here is because Ramsamy sir was my former coach. Right business, he has promoted me. He's always promoted me in my hockey career. He was the person who identified me and made me today what I am. And I like to thank all the subscribers for giving your support, and the Tamil Nadu players, hockey players especially, because எங்கள் பிராண்டை நம்பி எங்களை வந்து எங்கள் ப்ராடக்டை வாங்கி எனக்கு எங்கள் பிராண்டு வந்து ஒரு ஃபேமஸான பிராண்டு கொண்டு போகிற பாதையில் அது வந்து I can't forget you all. I really thank you all very much. Continue to support us and be what best we could do for our Tamil Nadu players as well as for the rest of the country. We will definitely do it and give you quality service. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you Adam. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, in case you want to place order, Tamil Nadu order place பண்ணனும்னா you can contact our staff. We'll give you the staff name. Arul Ganesh will be there. நீங்கள் ஆர்டர் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இன்றைக்கி சப்போஸ் இன்றைக்கி ஆர்டர் கொடுத்துறேன், நாளைக்கே உங்களுக்கு வந்துடும். இன்சைட் தமிழ்நாடு கண்டிப்பாக வந்துடும். 1 டேலேயே வந்து குரியர் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு இருக்குது. ஸோ வந்தோடனே யூ கேன் பிளேஸ் யூ ஆர்டர். அதாவது ஸ்டிக் பேக், ஸ்டிக்ஸ், ஷூஸ் எது இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணாலும், கார்மெண்ட்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, அது ஒரு பீஸ் இருந்தாலும் சரி, உங்களுக்கு அடுத்த நாளே வந்துடும்.